From Injury to Strength, your complete recovery journey, step-by-step guide to physical recovery. Recovering from an injury can feel daunting, but with the right approach, you can regain strength and mobility. This guide walks you through the process, from healing through rebuilding strength, step by step. 1. Understand your injury. Identify the type of injury, whether it is a sprain, fracture, or soft tissue injury. Knowing what you are dealing with is essential. Consult a professional. Always consult a healthcare professional to properly diagnose your injury and recommend the best course of treatment. 2. Prioritize rest and recovery. Rest is crucial. Give your body time to heal. Avoid activities that could strain the injured area. Use ice or heat. Depending on the injury, ice for swelling or heat for muscle relaxation can provide relief. 3. Follow the R.I.C.E method. Rest, ice, compression, elevation. Rest. Avoid putting weight or pressure on the injury. Ice. Apply ice to reduce swelling and numb the pain. Compression. Use a compression bandage to prevent swelling. Elevation. Elevate the injured area to reduce fluid buildup. 4. Manage pain effectively. Over-the-counter medications. Use pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen if recommended by your doctor. Natural remedies. Consider using topical creams, CBD, or other natural alternatives if appropriate for your injury. 5. Gentle mobility and stretching. Start with gentle movements. Once the acute pain has subsided, begin with light stretching and mobility exercises. Focus on pain-free range of motion. Only perform movements that don't cause discomfort. And hey, before we proceed, in order for you to not feel discomfort, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 6. Gradual Strengthening. Begin strength training. After you have regained basic mobility, begin strengthening exercises to rebuild the muscles and tissues around the injury. Low-impact exercises. Start with bodyweight exercises or resistance bands to avoid overloading the injury. Progress slowly. Gradually increase intensity and resistance as your strength improves. 7. Physical therapy if necessary. Work with a specialist. A physical therapist can provide targeted exercises and treatments to help restore full function. Follow a program. Stick to a physical therapy regimen that gradually progresses in difficulty. 8. Focus on nutrition. Support healing. Proper nutrition plays a key role in recovery. Include plenty of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Hydration. Drink enough water to support tissue repair and reduce inflammation. 9. Mental wellness. Stay positive. Injury recovery can be as mental as it is physical. Stay positive and patient with the process. Seek support. Talk to friends, family, or a therapist if you feel frustrated or anxious about your recovery. 10. Return to activity slowly. Gradual return. Once you are cleared by your doctor or physical therapist, slowly return to your normal routine. Avoid overdoing it. Resist the urge to jump back into intense activity too soon. 11. Maintain your strength. Consistency is key. Even after recovering, continue to engage in regular exercise to maintain strength and prevent future injuries. Warm up and cool down. Always warm up before activity and cool down afterward. Prevent re-injury. 12. Be patient and celebrate progress. Celebrate milestones. Every step forward is an achievement. Celebrate your recovery, no matter how small. Listen to your body. If you feel pain or discomfort, take a step back and rest. By following these steps, you can go from injury to strength, ensuring a safe and effective recovery. Stay focused, patient, and committed to the process. And there you have it, magical warriors. Remember, recovery is not just about healing the body. It is about strengthening the mind and spirit too. Every step you take towards recovery is a step towards becoming an even stronger version of yourself. Healing is a journey, not a destination. With each day, you grow not only in strength, but in wisdom. Believe in your power to heal and transform. You've got this. So keep moving forward, stay positive, and know that with every challenge, magic unfolds. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering tips. Together, we will continue to rise, stronger and braver than before. Until next time, keep shining bright, stay Stay strong and remember, the magic of recovery is within you. See you on the next adventure.